Service good. Boutot, Hebert, Doobie. Boutot, Hebert, Doobie. LeBrew, Hebert, LeBrew. Point. Boutot, Hebert, Cody, Hebert, Doobie. Service good. Collard, Hebert. All over. LeBrew, Hebert, Moody. Ball's over. Doyon, Hebert, LeBrew. Ball is over. Collard, Hebert, LeBrew. Ball comes over. Collard, Hebert, LeBrew. Sends the ball over. Collard, Hebert, LeBrew. Ball's over. Collard, Hebert, LeBrew. LeBrew. Hebert with the set. Moody. And that point goes. Greeley serving. Moody. Hebert. And Plant. Serve is good. Greeley brings it over. Cody. Hebert. LeBrew. Cody. Hebert. LeBrew. And that's Collard, Hebert, and Moody. Moody again. Plant. Greeley sends it over. Collard. Point. Moody serving for Biddeford. Scarborough sends that over. Doyon, Hebert, and Cody. Point goes. Ooh, Scarborough sends that over. Moody, Hebert, LeBrew. Greeley serving. Collard, Hebert, and Moody. Greeley sends that over. Collard, Hebert, LeBrew. Point for the Tigers. Greeley serving. Serve is low. Collard, Hebert, and Plant. And that's Moody. Second serve. And that's Hebert on her third serve. Hebert. Hebert with her second serve. Serve is good. Hebert on serve number 3. Serve is good. And that's an ace. Hebert with her fourth serve. And Hebert serving. Serve is good. Hebert serving. Serve is good. And it's an ace. Hebert on her 9th consecutive serve. Serve is good. And that's another ace. Here we go with Mariah Hebert serving for Biddeford. And that's an ace for Mariah. Hebert setting once more. And that's a point for the Tigers. And Hebert serving once more. It's Moody, Hebert, and LeBrew. Hebert. And that's a point. Hebert serving for Biddeford. Service good. Greeley. Point for the Tigers. Hebert serving for Biddeford. And that's Moody. Greeley. Hebert on her third serve for Biddeford. Service good. And Gurley sends it over. Collard, Hebert, LeBrew. Gurley brings it over. Cody, LeBrew, and Hebert. A block, Hebert, Plant, and LeBrew. Gurley sends it over. It is out. Point for the Tigers. And Hebert's on her 4th consecutive serve. Serve is good. Gurley pushes it over. Hebert, Moody, and LeBrew. And into the net. Point for the Tigers. Hebert still serving for Biddeford. Gurley taps that over. Moody, Hebert, and LeBrew. Gurley slips, and point for the Tigers. Hebert on her 6th consecutive serve. Serve is good. Inside, point for the Tigers. Hebert serving once more. And that point goes to the Tigers. Over. Gurley brings that back. Hebert, Moody, LeBrew. Gurley sends that over. Hebert, Plant. Gurley sends that over. Collard, Hebert, LeBrew. Hebert, Moody, LeBrew.